August 24th, I went to Gelora Bung Karno with my sister and later met my friends there. I went by motorcycle to the MRT station. At first, we tried to park at Lebak Bulus station, but since we could not find a spot, we decided to continue to Block M. The road was very crowded and the weather was quite hot.
On August 24th, I also went to Gelora Bung Karno. I used the MRT from my nearest station. The train was clean, fast, and comfortable.
On August 24th, I went to Gelora Bung Karno, GBK, by car with my parents. The traffic on the way was very heavy and the road was crowded.
At Block M, I saw some people with their unique fashion style. After parking, I entered the MRT station and waited for the train. When the MRT arrived, I finally took it and got off at the Setora Mandiri exit. From there, I had to walk quite far until I met Atira and Efna near the Sukarno statue. Inside GBK, I saw many beautiful green plants and people who were exercising. Some joined a running event from famous brands, and I also heard people playing popular music like Tabula Ballet. It was lively and I felt very happy. We continued to the jogging track and enjoyed walking. Along the way, I saw the iconic Archer statue and an artificial pond with green water.
When I arrived at GBK, I met my friends Faris and Efna in front of the Sukarno statue. The weather was sunny and the area was full of people exercising. We walked inside GBK and enjoyed the atmosphere. At one point, I felt thirsty, so I went to Indomaret to buy some drinks. Inside, I noticed Pokemon dolls and some toys displayed, and I also saw advertisement playing on the screen. After buying drinks, I returned to join my friends.
When I arrived at GBK, it was difficult to get out of the car because of the crowd. Finally, I managed to get out and met Atira and Faris near the Sukarno statue. Together, we entered GBK Truck, one of the open gates. Inside, I saw many different activities. Some people were running, some were cycling, and others were just walking or joining events. The place was full of energy and people enjoying their weekend.
After finishing the walk, I met my sister again and we sat for a while. Later, Athira went home by MRT, Efna by car, while I also went home using the MRT with my sister after spending more time around GBK. On the way back, I captured some nice views around Block M before finally arriving home. It was a tiring but memorable day.
At noon, I decided to go home. I returned by MRT again. Even though I did not travel with my friends from the beginning, I still enjoyed the walk and the whole experience at GBK. It was a fun and refreshing day.
After spending some time inside, I decided to go home with my parents by car. Although the road was crowded, it was still a fun experience. The day at GBK was busy but very enjoyable for me.